often we have been given the compound uh, in which we have to find that whether the given compound is the same compound or is different compound. For example, we have been given this organic compound and we can convert into same molecule by exchanging the ligand attached to the carbon. This is carbon here and there are 4 groups attached to the carbon. First is CH3, OH, H and PH. There are 4 groups. Now suppose you find a structure in which these 4 groups are not at the same position. Then you can verify whether the given compound is same or different. For example, we can convert into, we have 4 groups. From this to this we can easily convert by even number of exchange. When you do even number of exchanges of ligands, you have same compound. What do I mean to say? Suppose I exchange these two. It means that if I write OH here and if I write CH3 here, similarly I can exchange, this is one exchange, CH3 is exchanged with OH, one exchange. If I exchange these two, PH here and H here, we have same compound. Similarly, it is not necessary that only these two could be exchanged. We can exchange CH, PH or OH. For example, what I can do, I have 4 positions to be filled. What I can do, I can get CH3 with PH. See, I have written PH here and CH3 at the bottom. This is one exchange. CH3 has been exchanged with PH. Now the second exchange is, I can exchange OH with H. OH in the right side, I can bring it to left side and H. This is again the same compound. Not only this, what I can do, I can exchange CH3 with OH and again OH with PH3. For example, again we can get same compound by this sort of exchange. What I can do, I have to attach 4 ligands around carbon. First I can CH3 with PH. I have exchanged this. This is one exchange. After exchanging this, we can exchange OH should be here. This is one exchange only. Just I have exchanged PH with CH3. Now I can exchange these two. I can bring OH here and CH3 here. Now I have same compound. It means that, let me summarize, I can exchange these two, I can exchange these two, or I can exchange this or this. If you are carrying out even number of exchanges, you are obtaining same compound if there is only one chiral compound. Now something, what happens if you do odd number of exchanges? If you do odd number of exchanges, for example, if we exchange only this one time, OH, CH3, PH and H here. If you have odd number of exchanges, we obtain enantiomers. That's all. Thank you.